Single piece of plastic could turn into 400 million metric tons of plastic waste every year across the world. Everyone knows plastic is bad for the environment, but people still use plastic. According to Gikunda, plastic is useful mostly in transporting industry, food packaging, and medical equipment. Even though plastic is a widely popular synthetic or semi-synthetic with various uses, it degrades slowly regardless of its composition. According to Forge Recycling, plastic is made from unsustainable materials, including coal, natural gases, and crude oil. This means that the manufacturing process itself is terrible, and its resulting plastics are not all recyclable. That is why polyhydroxyalkanoate as a formidable substitute, providing a cleaner and better tomorrow for humanity and environment. Good day to all of you. My name is Kyla May Esmaturan, and I will be going to tackle about polyhydroxyalkanoate or bioplastics, a new sustainable way of reducing plastic waste. As we all know, as I've mentioned earlier, the plastic we usually use is somewhat useful to our everyday lives, particularly in preserving our foods. It is durable, provides protection from contaminants and elements, but for our Mother Earth's sake, we need to get an alternative. According to Constantinua, polyhydroxyalkanoate are made from renewable sources like plants or old waste. There are many methods and materials to make bioplastic. Generally, polysaccharides, proteins, and lipids are usually used to make bioplastic. With their respective features and characteristics, different bioplastics can be used in different sectors. The key point of bioplastic is that they are produced from renewable materials. Many biomaterials are now used in the production of bioplastics such as corn, cereal crops, and so on. But the latest invention that shows a brighter future is bioplastics made from seaweed. Seaweed is a promising for bioplastic because it reduces GHG or greenhouse effect percentage from the environment and it is edible. But unfortunately, bioplastics can't be created everywhere. It has a less water resistant that requires fresh water and also a scarce resource in many countries. Although there is a limitation regarding on planting a seaweed as what researchers from Tel Aviv University wish to resolve, the researchers harness microorganisms that feed on seaweed to produce a bioplastic polymer called polyhydroxyalkanoate. With the help of polyhydroxyalkanoate algae, they can produce a polymer that can be used to make bioplastic. Even so, bioplastic made from seaweed has its limitation and currently under research. It is still the most partial and effective solution to get rid of plastic epidemics. Therefore, it is recommended to use biodegradable plastic, especially when they are made from sustainable natural resources. The use of biodegradable plastic has many benefits and it is a promising approach to solving the various plastic problems the world has today. And that is all. Thank you.